channel. My name is Monse and this is SOYOGA. And we're going to do a short practice and we're going to start straight away. So we're going to start in child pose. So bring your toes together. We're going to do a very gentle flow, okay? Quite short, and perhaps to help you wake up in the morning or just to stretch after an actual more intense workout, perhaps. So open your knees as far wide as you like to and then come forward. Resting your forehead on the floor, we're going to breathe 5 deep breaths. Try to melt onto the floor, really focusing on breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the nose. Start to really being aware of your breath and your body. And slowly come up again, come into all fours. Make sure that you're aligning your hands underneath your shoulders. Come into a neutral position, squeeze your belly, pushing the hands against the floor, and as you inhale, stretch the right leg. And then exhaling, bring the knee to the nose. We're gonna do this 2 more times. Inhale, stretch, heel wants to touch the back wall. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, exhale, knee to nose. And this time stretch and bring the foot between your hands for a low lunge. Inhale here, chest up. Bring the right hand on your knee and look over your right shoulder for a twist. Inhale forward. Then as you exhale, shift the weight, bringing the hips back, lifting the front toes, half splits, half Hanuman, Ardha Hanuman. Inhale forward 2 more times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Really lifting those toes. Inhale forward, plant the left hand on the floor, tuck the toes of the left leg, lift the knee and open up for an easy twist. Breathe. Shoulder above shoulder, hand down, and this time we come into downward dog. Breathe here. You can bend the knees as much as you like to, focusing on straightening the back, lengthening the back, and then lift the heels and bring the knees down to the floor once again into that tabletop. Readjust the hands, squeeze the belly straight back, and extend the left leg. Exhale, knee to nose 2 more times. Inhale, toes down. Exhale. Try not to twist your hips. Inhale, exhale. See if you can touch your nose. Inhale, straight, and this time the left foot between your hands. Low lunge, look forward, and the left hand on your knee, and again, just look over your left shoulder. Inhaling, come forward, and as you exhale, shift the weight, extend the front leg. And if there is a micro bend here, that's absolutely fine, or even a big bend. Inhale forward 2 more times. Exhale, back, extend, toes up. Inhale forward, exhale back, toes up. Feeling the stretch in the back of the leg. Inhale forward, plant the right hand on the floor, tuck the toes, lift the knee and open up for easy twist. Breathe. Exhale, hand down, and once again, downward dog. Pushing the hands against the floor. This time we're gonna lift the heels, and this time we're gonna come into a plank. Bring the knees down, bending the elbows, come all the way to the floor with control. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down. Tuck the toes, come back up, downward dog. and take 2 steps to the top of the mat. Head down, inhale, half lift. Shoulders back, exhale down. Inhale, come push, 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 and we come, bring the arms up. Look at your thumbs, and as you exhale, hands by your side. Stay here for a moment. Just breathing, shoulders down, finding neutral with your pelvis. And again, inhaling, the arms come up. And as you exhale, all the way down. Half lift. Exhale down, plant the hands, come into plank. And from here, you're gonna come on your elbows. Forearm, forearm. So you're coming onto a forearm plank. Hold it here, forearm plank. Breathe. Pushing the forearms against the floor. Now knees down, pelvis down, and we are in Sphinx. Breathe. Try to open your collarbone, look forward. You can measure the intensity of this pose perhaps by opening or closing a bit more your legs, or by bringing the elbow a bit forward. Once again, we're going to go for that forearm plank. So really press against the forearms, lift the hips, lift the knees. And this time we're going to try to walk the feet in until we are in dolphin, which is like a downward dog, but on your forearms. Breathe here. Try to really breathe through the nose, softly. Then bring the knees down, and like we started, we're gonna end. Bring the toes together. You can open the knees wide apart. You're gonna come into child, but this time, if you like, you can do a little stretch for your triceps as well. So straighten the arms in front of you, palms together, pressing the palm of the hand against each other. Now bend the elbows, forehead comes to the floor, and bring the bring the thumbs towards the back of your neck. And breathe here, another 5 deep breaths. Last breath, melting even more against the floor, perhaps feeling the stretch in your armpits. And as you inhale, just stretch the elbows, let go, walk the hands back, come up to a seated position, any seated position that's comfortable for you. Close your eyes for a moment. Sitting tall, bring the hands pressing against each other. Just notice any changes, perhaps in your body, in your energy, in your shoulders. Take a big inhale, exhale. And then just open your eyes and continue with your day. Thank you very much for being here with me. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. And I hope this was useful. It was very quick. We targeted a bit the shoulders and the hips. And let me know how it went, if you used it to take a break during the day or at the beginning of the day, when you just need a very quick stretch and a very quick practice. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, like the video, leave me a comment, share with others. If you leave me a comment and let me know if you like these short practices or you prefer slightly longer ones, and how was for you doing dolphin, or if you need any more advanced or easier poses, just let me know. The more I know about what you like, the more I can do videos for you. Okay, thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.